Making maple syrup, a sweet journey from tree to table. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to embark on a sweet journey as we explore the fascinating process of making maple syrup. This topic is not just about learning new words. It's about understanding a cultural practice deeply rooted in certain parts of the world, especially in North America. So, let's dive into the world of maple trees and discover how this delicious syrup makes its way to our tables. Maple syrup is a natural sweetener made from the sap of maple trees, primarily the sugar maple tree. It's a traditional North American product, with indigenous peoples being the first to discover and utilize this tasty resource. The syrup is known for its unique flavor, which is much appreciated in various dishes and desserts. Making maple syrup is a time-honored tradition that signals the end of winter and the arrival of spring. Step 1. Tapping the trees. The journey begins in late winter or early spring when temperatures start to rise above freezing during the day and drop below freezing at night. This temperature fluctuation creates pressure within the trees, making it the perfect time to tap the maple trees. A small hole is drilled into the tree, and a spout is inserted to collect the sap, which is a clear and slightly sweet liquid. Step 2. Collecting the sap. Once the trees are tapped, the sap starts to flow out and is collected in buckets or through a system of tubing that leads to a storage tank. Collecting sap is a labor-intensive process that requires daily attention to ensure that the sap is gathered quickly and efficiently before it begins to spoil. Step 3. Boiling the sap. The next step is to boil the sap, which reduces its water content and concentrates the sugar. This process takes place in a sugar house, where the sap is poured into a large, shallow pan and boiled over a fire. It takes about 40 gallons of sap to make just 1 gallon of maple syrup. The boiling process is carefully monitored to achieve the perfect consistency and flavor. Step 4. Filtering and bottling. After boiling, the syrup is filtered to remove any impurities. The final product is then taste tested for quality before being bottled. The color of maple syrup can vary from light golden to dark brown, depending on the sap's sugar content and the time of the season it was collected. Maple syrup is not just for pancakes and waffles. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in baking, cooking, and even in making beverages. There are several grades of maple syrup, ranging from light and delicate to dark and robust, each offering a different flavor profile suitable for various dishes. We hope you enjoyed learning about the process of making maple syrup and the rich cultural heritage behind this sweet tradition. It's a wonderful example of how nature provides us with such delightful flavors. Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey. Remember, learning English opens up a world of fascinating stories and traditions. Keep exploring and stay curious.